The Cybex Callisto G 360 car seat stands out as a true all-in-one solution that can be used from the newborn stage through the elementary school years, reducing the need to buy multiple seats over time. Its rotating base allows a full 360-degree turn in any recline position, so you can swivel the seat toward the door to buckle your child in without awkward twisting or straining. The installation system uses a guided belt path and a single secure setup with a top tether, which helps the seat feel solidly anchored and reduces the chance of common installation mistakes. A robust safety package combines a steel-reinforced frame, an anti-rebound base, and dedicated side impact structures to better manage crash forces from different directions. The integrated SensorSafe chest clip connects via Bluetooth to alert you about potential issues like an unbuckled harness or a child left in the seat, adding an extra layer of reassurance on busy days. Multiple recline angles and a well-padded shell keep children comfortable whether riding rear-facing or forward-facing, making long trips noticeably easier for both kids and parents.